Exercise 11.1, question number 12. Find the equation of the circle with radius 5 whose center lies on the x-axis and the passes through the point 2, 3. Okay. It is given that radius equal to 5, center lies on x-axis. It means the coordinate is h0. Okay. And the passes through the point 2, 3. So now equation of circle equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square means 5 square. Okay. Now passes through the point 2, 3. Okay. The circle passes through point 2, 3. It means x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 satisfied the equation. So we can write 2 minus h whole square. Y is 3 whole square. R square is 5. It means 5 square. Open the bracket. 4 minus 4h plus h square. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus 9 equal to 25. So h square minus 4h. 9 plus 4, 13 minus 25. H square minus 4h. 13 minus 25, it is minus 12. Okay. तो 6 into 2, 12. h square इसको मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करके फैक्टराइज करेंगे. 6 into 2, 12. h common. h minus 6 plus 2 common, h minus 6. It means the h की दो वैल्यू हैं, एक h minus 6, h plus 2. It means h equal to एक वैल्यू आएगी minus 2 and another is 6. Now find the equation of circle. Just put the values of h in this equation. x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 25. First ये रहेगी तो x plus 2 whole square is x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square equal to 25. Now the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. एक इक्वेशन ये बनेगी. सेकेंड यहाँ लिखेंगे when h equal to minus 2. And the second when h equal to 6. Now put x minus 6 whole square plus y square equal to 25. यानी 5 square 25. Now solve. X square 6 into 2 12x plus 36 plus y square equal to 25. यानी x square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25 is 11. This is the also equation of circle. These are the two equations. Okay. Equation of circle when passes through the point 2, 3 and the center lies on x-axis. Next question. Question number 13. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. Okay. The required circle. This is a figure. A circle passed through the center. Center means 0, 0 and makes the intercept. Here is A, yani A0. Suppose this is a point A and this is the point B. The 0, B. Intercept इधर B बनाता है और इधर A और ये एंगल 90 degree and this is the AC is the diameter. AB is the diameter of the circle. Center 0, 0. Intercept A and B on the coordinate axis. A इधर है, B इधर है and passes through the point A0 and 0P. Okay. Join. AB को join कर दिए. C is the center of the required circle. Okay. So now write angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Therefore AB is a diameter. जब एंगल 90 डिग्री सेमी सर्कल से बनने वाला एंगल क्या होता है? राइट एंगल. देयरफॉर AB is a diameter. And C is the midpoint. Okay, C is the center. C is the center. C is center of circle. The coordinates of C. Coordinates of center C. It is equal to the A plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus B by 2. It means coordinates are A by 2 and B by 2. It means center के coordinate क्या हो गए? A by 2, B by 2. Now the radius. तो radius क्या होगी? Radius equal to half of diameter यानी half of AB. अब AB की लेंथ क्या होगी? Using distance formula, it is A minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus B whole square. It is under root A square plus B square. जब AB इतना है तो रेडियस हो जाएगा 1/2 अंडर रूट A square plus B square. Now we can write the equation of circle passing through the point A by 2 and B by 2. अब इन दोनों से पास कराना है, लिखेंगे इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल विद सेंटर. सेंटर है ये A by 2 and B by 2 and radius वन बाई 2 अंडर रूट A square plus B square equal to x minus A by 2 whole square plus y minus B by 2 whole square equal to radius square 1/2 under root whole square. Now expand the formula. X square minus AX plus A square by 4 same y square minus BY plus B square by 4. Okay, equal to 1/4 A square plus B square. अब A square by 4 ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, B square by 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सिर्फ इक्वेशन बचेगी माइनस AX माइनस BY. इसको इधर ले जाएंगे A square by 4 प्लस B square by 4 माइनस A square by 4 minus it is equal to the 0. Now equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus AX minus BY equal to 0. Okay. Question number 14 of exercise 11.1. Find the equation of circle with center 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, 5. Suppose this is a circle with center, suppose ये center है O 2, 2 and passing through the point 4, 5. ये point है 4, 5. Suppose this point. तो now the radius we can find. लिखेंगे coordinates of center equal to 2, 2 and radius equal to under root 4 minus 2 डिस्टेंस फार्मूला लगाएंगे and 5 minus 2 होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो इट इज इक्वल टू द 4 minus 2 2 होल स्क्वायर इज 4, 5 minus 2 3 स्क्वायर इज 9. इट इज अंडर रूट 13. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द इक्वेशन विद द सेंटर 2, 2. इट मीन्स x minus 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y minus 2 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू रूट 13 square. X minus h, y minus k and expand y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 13. Rearrange कर दें टर्म. x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y 4 4 8 8 minus 13 is minus 5. It is a equation of circle passes through the point 4, 5. Next and the last point question, does the point minus 2.5 and minus 3.5 lie inside, outside or on the circle x square plus y square equal to 25? ये पॉइंट सर्किल के अंदर है या बाहर है? तो हमको देखना है कि रेडियस से छोटा है तो अंदर होगा, बराबर है तो सर्किल पर होगा, और बाहर है तो मतलब बड़ा है तो बाहर होगा, आउटसाइड. द पॉइंट इज minus 2.5, 3.5 and the equation is x square plus y square equal to 25. if center equal to center of circle अगर 0 है, 0 0 है, तो रेडियस यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगी, r स्क्वायर इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 25 and r इक्वल टू 5. now the distance of point minus 2.5 to 3.5 from origin, from 0 0 sorry center. okay, now using the formula 0 plus 2.5 whole square and 0 minus 3.5 whole square. now calculate. 2.5 whole square is 6.25 and 3.5 12.25. it is equal to the under root 18.25 which is less than under root 25. ये जो रेडियस का स्क्वायर है 25, उससे ये क्या है, कम है, यानी लेस देन 5 है. इट मीन्स पॉइंट minus 2.5 3.5 lies inside the circle. रेडियस से कम है तो इनसाइड है, अंदर होगा. अगर डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होगी तो बाहर होता, इक्वल होता तो सेंटर पर. इट मीन्स लाइज इनसाइड द सर्कल.